everybody. I just got a new set of lights from Lasfit, a couple of pods I guess is what they're calling them, and these are not on the market yet, so they asked me to check them out. So I'm going to open them up. I don't want to become unboxing guy, but at the same time it's kind of fun to open them up and look at them with someone instead of just by myself. That way I can show you guys what they look like and give a little bit of detail on them. The other thing that I got was a set of ditch brackets from CaliRaised that I need to open up as well. These are the low profile ditch brackets. So what I'm going to do is put these on as my ditch lights. I don't have any ditch lights right now. I have plenty of other lights around all over the rig, but I don't have any ditch lights, so I'm going to try them as ditch lights and test them out against the Bajas. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Pretty basic packaging, nothing super exciting necessarily, but again, these are I don't know if calling them prototypes is the right thing, but these are not on the market. These are new, and there's just a few people out there that are testing them right now. So one light packed pretty well. Don't look like there's any damage to them. Come with a little Allen wrench. The lights themselves look super cool. Hopefully there's not a glare on the camera. Super cool texture in the lights. A basic plug and play plugs here, and I've got some other plugs that I'm going to use when I build a wiring harness. So let's check out the other one. I'm assuming it's basically the same. So again, I'll do a little bit of shoot some details on them, but the backs have kind of fins, I'm assuming, for cooling. Nice stainless steel brackets. I may actually paint the stainless steel brackets black, just so they're less visible, but everything feels pretty good and looks pretty cool. And I don't know the name of these plugs exactly, but they are two pin plugs. I got some of the female ends on Amazon. I can post a link to that down in the description, but basically so that I can just plug this in here, and then what I'll do, and I need to figure out the right gauge to wire. I think of wire to use is probably, this looks like about 16 gauge, but I've got some duplex wire that I may end up using and splicing into this. And I might do another video where I show you guys how to make a wiring harness. It's pretty simple. I'm not a wiring expert, but you know, making a wiring harness instead of buying one is pretty cost efficient. So again, very simple plugs. I want to create a wiring harness, so these are nice and plug and play, and I can, you know, take these off, and if I want to move them to the back and use them as chase lights and swap out different lights, that I'll have that option. I try to do that with all my lighting projects, is make everything very modular, so that at any point, if I want to literally unplug it, I can unplug it instead of having to cut wires. So sometimes it's a little more work in the sort of building of the wiring harness stage, but you know, I find that it's going to save me a lot of time in the long run. And as we tend to do over time, we find something that we like better, or something better comes out and we want to be able to switch it easily. It's better to have things work plug and play, and even try to use the same plugs, connectors on different lights, so you can move them around if you want. So these, again, Got these on Amazon, got 2 of them. So I'm gonna actually connect these to a battery and show everybody kind of what the lights look like. I've got a couple of roach clips, as you'd call them here, that we can clip on here, or alligator clips. And then something that you might want to think about doing, some of you that are going to a dual battery setup or replacing your batteries, is keep your stock battery, which is what I did, and I just use it to test things. So make sure I don't get it short here. So there's the light. Pretty bright. Maybe I'll hook up both. So again, these plugs are nice because they're super simple. Just plug them in. I'm going to try to get both on the same clip here without blinding myself or like shorting out the battery. And then let me turn off the lights. This is just with the Lasfit pods on. It's not Halloween, so I'll turn these toward you guys. Pretty excited to get these on the rig and test them out. I know that the price is going to be around $120 for the pair, so you're talking basically half the price of the Baja set, because I think the Baja Sport Squadrons white, not yellow, are about $120 each. So these will be about half the price of that, which makes them a pretty good bargain, especially for how they look, because I think they look just as good as the Bajas. But we will put them to the test and check the brightness as well. CaliRaised ditch brackets. These look very nice. The finish is really nice. It's kind of a matte textured black. So these look good. Ultimately, the lights are going to mount on here, and I'll probably also do a simple tutorial where I show you how to put the wiring harness together. Again, very easy. I'm not a wiring expert or an electrician, but there's some basic skills that you need to do that, and some basic bits and pieces. So thanks for watching, and check out the next video, and if you like this, please like and subscribe below, and let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments. Thanks a lot.